We have our next 6-ball pattern, and we have a few blocker balls around the 2 and the 6 and the 5. So let's map this out backwards, everyone. Ideally, we can go both side pockets for the 6 ball. Where's the 5 ball? All right, let's go with this pocket here for now. And to get to this spot from the 5 ball, what do we need to do? Pocket line is following my cursor. It's right through there. If we can get very close to this pocket line, we will just draw back and hit this area here. So the pocket line is about right there. All right, how do we get to this area from the 4 ball? 4 ball is ideally near a pocket, which makes position more important than pocketing the ball, because we should pocket the ball because it's close to the pocket. Let's see if we're down in this area here. We'll hit that with right spin. Top right, we'll hit here and come real close to that 1 ball and bounce out. If we hit center, we'll come more right here, bounce out. We may miss the pocket line. Okay, so we'll hit that. We need to be in this area here, everyone. All right, to get to that area there from the 3 ball, there's the 3 ball right here. How do we take position from the 4 to the 3? Ideally, to get to this area, we would like to be pretty close to where the square is now. Hit this with low right, come to about here, come to about here, come to about here, and bounce up. Okay, so that's ideally where we would like to be at for the 3 ball. Now, how do we get to that area from the 2 ball? Pocket line is coming right through here, so we need to stay on the side about right here. We hit this with just top, we'll just float right over in the area. Now, how do we get to this area from the 1 ball? Well, the 1 ball is close to this pocket down here. We'll put a slight angle here, and we'll hit this real soft. We got to at least make it past this area here to get past the pocket line. All right, everyone, that's my solution. Let's sticker this up and get to it. In this solution, we'll be pocketing the 1 ball in the bottom right-hand corner pocket and rolling forward, crossing the 2 ball pocket line. Now we can softly roll in the 2 ball, leaving an angle on the 3 ball that we can use to send the cue ball 3 rails for the 4 ball. When we shoot the 3 ball, we want to make sure we end up fairly close to the top side rail for the 4 ball. This will give us a natural angle on the 4 ball to go 2 rails for the 5 ball. Now we'll draw the cue ball off the side rail for shape on the 6 ball. We shoot the 1, we're not going to hit a rail, we're going to hit that with top. We're going to shoot the 2, we're center and float out to that position, not hitting a rail also. We'll hit the 3 with low right, and we're going to hit side rail, end rail, and side rail. We're going to shoot the 4 with top right, and we're going to hit the end rail, side rail, and we're going to shoot the 5 ball with draw and draw back to that position. All right, everyone, you know the solution. Sticker this up and get to it.